5 seconds. Start. The findings of a recent study concerning the high prevalence of suicide cases in Gilgit-Baltistan present a worrying picture of this remote and ruggedly beautiful land. Full stop. Clearly, there is a mental health crisis of considerable proportions in the region that is not being adequately addressed. Full stop. According to the prevention of suicides in Gilgit Baltistan, an integrated multi-sectoral strategy and roadmap for implementation study details of which were published in this paper on Monday. The number of reported suicide cases this year so far are twice as high as last year numbers. Full stop. The study uncovers a number of disturbing realities such as the fact that the vast majority of suicide cases are young people or those who are in early middle age, and that cases are almost equally divided between men and women. Full stop. Gizar district reported the highest number of cases. Full stop. According to the report, a number of factors are driving many young people towards taking this extreme step. Full stop. Paragraph. These include an integrational communication gap, academic pressure, and lack of job opportunities. Full stop. A study conducted by the University of Peshawar focusing on Chitral highlighted many of the same factors behind suicide. Full stop. But perhaps what is most alarming is the fact that the actual numbers for suicide cases and attempts in GB may be much higher, due to the sectoral stigma attached with reporting this act of self-harm. Full stop. Paragraph. This mental health emergency in GB needs to be addressed with seriousness by the state. Full stop. It has been recommended that police, health and education departments increase coordination while community-based medical health services are also required. Full stop. Furthermore, life skills and hope building curriculum need to be taught in the region's educational institutions. Full stop. Admittedly, the challenge is considerable, as even in Pakistan's more developed areas, mental health is poorly understood and hardly a priority of the state. Full stop. But vulnerable people in GB, Chitral and all other areas reporting high rates of suicide need to be provided the help they need to prevent them from taking this extreme step. Full stop. The end.